Hi guys, welcome to my channel Green Meadows. This is Gurmeet Kaur. Today I'll show you my beautiful plant and the flowers of this plant. Not flowers actually, but see here. And here we go guys. Look at these buds. See how many buds I have on this plant, and I'm really excited to see all these buds bloom, and I'll also show you, I'll update you on this. So after 6 days, here is my plant guys. Look at this one. See how beautiful this has bloomed, and this is the rose plant guys. When we talk about the flowers, first thought we get about a flower is rose. Rose is very attractive flower. It attracts people with its variety of colors, smell and shape. Here what we have, this plant is button rose. Today we'll discuss about this beautiful flowering plant. I like this plant more than the hybrid variety because this plant flowers around the year. Yes, it flowers around the year. It comes in variety of colors. I have two of these plants, but both of my plants has same color and they are doing really good. Every day we can get flowers on this plant. So today I am going to tell about the care, propagation, fertilization, watering and pest attack. As you can see, so many blooms are here, so many flowers. I'll tell you a trick how to get more number of flowers. This type of rose plant has lot of blooms. I'll show you here. I wanted to cut these flowers, but I did not cut it because I wanted to show you. As I said, I'll update you. So here some of the flowers got dried up. This is a trick guys. I'll show you how to cut. I'll cut them before you. As we can see, there are 20 plus flowers on the single stem at a time. Here also there's some buds. They'll also bloom. And yeah, these buds. Today I'll cut before you and show you. Whenever we are cutting a flower or a dyed flower from the plant, we should not cut it here. See, I'll show you. We should not cut it here. We should cut it little below here. So when you cut it here, what happens is you'll get two more branches, two or more branches actually. So on the two other branches also we'll get some buds on this branch and again some on that branch. Okay, and I'll cut some more flowers to show you. See, I'm cutting the other flowers also. And coming to the soil what we need in this plant is we should take well drained soil. That is like 50% of garden soil I've taken, 30% of compost and same 20% of sand. So sand is also important in this plant because it should be well drained soil. It should not be soggy at all. And see, I've cut these flowers also. And here are the small one. I'll cut them also. And watering is like you have to water whenever you feel the soil is dry. The upper layer of the soil should be dry. That is the main point. You should not water it regularly, but as the summer is coming, you can water it regularly. And these flowers, I'll not cut these flowers guys. They are looking really beautiful. I don't want to cut them. I'll just keep it. So now we'll discuss about the propagation. Propagation of this plant is very easy. We need to take 5 to 6 inches of the stem. Here I'll show you. Yeah, stem, and apply a fungicide and remove all the leaves and put it in the soil. You can also propagate in water. Put little bit of fungicide in the water and propagate it. And in 2 weeks you'll get the roots. Then you can transfer it to soil. Fertilization is like, coming to fertilization, you can add small, you can see that this is a small pot, but still the plant is able to produce lot many flowers. I add compost to the rose plant in every 15 days. See how I've added it. But one thing you should keep in mind is that you should not add any fertilizer near the roots. You should always add something anything away from the roots, as rose roots are really delicate, right? And you should keep some stone like this because whenever you water, no, you must not water it from height. So if you keep a stone, what happens is you can just pour water on the stone, and that water also will not damage the roots. As I told you, the rose plant roots are little delicate, so we have to take care of that. And I spray this NPK 19 in every week or 10 days. I never put any chemical based fertilizer in the soil, and so that it will grow rapidly. And here is my another plant. See how many buds we have. This was attacked with aphids, so the flowers of this plants are small compared to my other plant. I sprayed neem oil. Now aphids are gone, but taking care of rose plant is little important, and you have to take care of the plant. And it is very easy growing plant, guys. It won't trouble you much, so you can just grow this plant. You can share this plant with your friends and relatives if you have. And my channel is always about growing plants, and I'll also tell you many tips and tricks. So here I end my video. Keep sharing my video with your friends. If you think my video is good, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.